All right, so today we're going to talk about a really cool tool that I've been using for a few years, but I want to talk about a feature that's going to be really helpful if you're using Instagram to do reels, whether you're doing posts or you're doing stories. This tool can help you grow your leads or grow your list very easily. In the past, there's been Instagram has primarily been link in bio. You have to send folks to a link. But now with Manychat, you can use a function, the comment section. You've probably seen it on your Instagram account. But anyway, we're going to jump into it. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Lewis. I'm a tech and automations expert. Been in the digital marketing space for about 7-8 years now. So let's jump to the video. All right, let me pull up here. So now I'm on the tool Manychat here. So Manychat is the tool that we need to use to set up and connect to your Instagram account. They have some plans here. They have the free plan here where you can do Instagram direct messages, and then they have the pro account. Honestly, the free account used to have it where it was fully automated. That's what we want to do, but they don't have that anymore. So you have to use the pro account to take advantage of the automation functions, which we're going to talk about in this video. So let me pull up my main account here. Okay, cool. So I just set up a trial account. They do have like a 14-day trial. So I'll do that to show you guys this demo of how to set up this really cool automation. So I'm gonna go here and just go to new automation. They have some templates right out the box that you can use, but I'm going to just start from scratch here to show you how to do it. And we're just going to do a really simple trigger. So for this video here is we want to do it for comments on posts and on your reels. You can do stories. You can do it if a user sends you a message. You can also do it from Instagram ads as well, which is only a pro function. So if you're running ads on Instagram, you can use the comment feature as well. Live comments, and then you can do it for referral links as well. But for this, we're just going to do comments on a post and a reel. So we're going to go here. You can, when you come in, you can do a specific post or you can do all posts or reel. So if you already have the post set up on your account or if you have them in drafts in pro, you can select that post and then just have that. If you want to use a specific word for a certain post, you can do that. But if you're going to be running several posts doing the same comment or the same offer, say you're giving out a guide. For mine, I'm giving out just this freelancer guide for beginner freelancers. So I'm going to do this post here. I'll do my most recent. Actually, I'll just do all posts and reels for this. All right, so just hit continue. And then the word that I'm using is guide. Doesn't really matter if it's capitalized or lowercase. I mean, if you want to do like misspellings or different variations, you can do that too. So if I wanted to do like guides, I'll do that as well. So, and you can exclude words too if you want to. Again, it's not case sensitive, so you don't have to worry about that. You can also do any comment as well, but I don't want to do that. I'm just going to do just for the guide. So next I want to do, so you can do random replies here, or you can add your own reply. So this will automatically reply when they comment to say, hey, sent the link over, or check the link in your DMs, something along those lines. You can customize that if you want to make it more personable. You know, if you don't use these emojis, like maybe the flyer thing wouldn't fit with my brand, or this emoji here. Actually, none of those emojis would fit. So I would customize those and change them. But for now, I'm just going to use the default one, or you can just do no. If you don't want it to comment back automatically, you can hit no there. But I'm just going to use these random ones here for the test. Just going to keep editing. Check your DMs. I can't type today. I can't type today. So cool. So we can do that and then just hit save. And let me edit that. I meant to do all reels and post. Cool. All right, so I'll save it now. So next, we want to go to, once they comment and post, we want to have it send out a message. You can add multiple triggers in here too if you wanted to do it. Say for your stories reply as well, you can do that too if you wanted to, but we're just going to do it for a post or reel here. And then send a message. So now that they've replied, I just want to do a default message here that we're going to send over. So for this particular one, it's just going to be my guide. So I'm just going to add test here. So it's just the beginner's freelancer guide. And then I can add a button here as well. So the button text is pretty, not a lot of characters. So just keep it short, yes, get the guide or send the guide over, whatever you want to put, or if you can just call it, download the guide down here, click here, something like that. I'm going to do open a website because I wanted to pull up the guide here from my URL to the guide. So I'll just put that there. And then if you want to do some more, advanced stuff, if you want to add on like a tag or something, if they click it, that way you can track them in your automation, you can do that. But for now, we're just going to do that. Okay, cool. So basically when they get the email, they go to the post and they comment on any of my posts on Instagram, then it will send that back automatically, the guide over. So I'll show you guys really quick. If I comment on the post just on one of my accounts, I'll show you what it looks like. So give me a second. Okay, so here's one of my test accounts. So when I sent the message, I got this message was automatically sent out. And then I clicked yes, get the guide here. This has another function in here where it will request an email. But if I do a test email in here real quick, you'll see this happening in real time. So let me do my test email. Okay, cool. So you guys see here that it just replied back. This is another step in automation. I'll do another video on it where you can gather emails as well, but then it sent the link to the guide here. So if I click the guide, it will take me right here to the guide, right here in the comment. So all of this happened automatically just by commenting the word guide on Instagram. So again, you can see, we'll go back here to Manychat here and bring it up again. So this is just a simple automation where you can do that. The other one I'll show you guys was just a test that I set up as well. So it's this one here. You can see I have here for user comments on a post or reel. Again, I'll just go into edit so you can see. Let me just zoom in just a little bit. This one has a little bit more steps. So it has the same thing, sends it, they get the guide. Once they click yes, get the guide, this automated message here says, okay, drop the best email here. And then it waits for the reply. When they reply with their email, one, it adds it to the system, but then it will tag them in here as well. So it goes into my CRM so I can add them to my email list as well if I wanted to. So if you want to just send them to a guide, you can also have it goes to like opt-in to where they can get the guide. I just have it go directly there since I'm getting the email here. If they don't respond, this will send out a message. It will wait. You'll see here, I have a wait set up in here. So if they don't, let me pull up this one here. Okay, cool. So if they don't respond after 23 hours, then it will send this message here. Hi, are you still there? If you're still interested, send the guide there. So it waits again for a reply. Let's say this is a few more steps in there. Not needed, but if you want to collect emails, you can do that step as well. And then once they respond, it sends the guide there. But anyway, that is a quick tutorial on how you can use Manychat, the comments in a DM, to get subscribers. If you're a new freelancer or you're wanting to learn some more tips on automation, I do have I'll drop it down in the comment. I have a guide of tools that I use and automations to help speed up the process or remove a lot of manual processes. My thing is all about optimizing your time and getting the results as quick as possible. So I'll see you guys on the next video.